Meaning of hate crime.
Hate crime.
Hate crime.
Hate crime.
Hate crime. Hate crime refers to a criminal act that is motivated by prejudice or bias against an individual or group of people based on their race, ethnicity, religion, gender identity, sexual orientation, national origin, or any other characteristic. Such crimes can include violence, harassment, intimidation, and destruction of property, and are committed with the intention of causing harm or fear to the victim and their community. Hate crimes not only harm the direct victims but also undermine the values of equality, tolerance, and respect for diversity that are essential to a democratic society.